Aliso TV, breaking news. The United Transformation Movement UTM, founded by the late Saulos Klaus Chilima, has officially declared its exit from the elected Tonse Alliance, stating it is a decision Chilima himself would likely have made. Felix Njawala, UTM's publicity secretary, revealed this during a press briefing held on Friday at the party's headquarters in Lilongwe's area 10. The secretary emphasized that UTM aims to refocus on the upcoming 2025 general elections following consultations with their legal team and central committee. Njawala highlighted the challenges faced by Chilima within the Tonse Alliance, led by Lazarus Chakwera since its inception in 2020. Patricia Kaliati, UTM Secretary General, acknowledged Chilima's reserved demeanor but affirmed his commitment to his followers and Malawians. She expressed the party's dedication to continuing Chilima's vision for a prosperous and contented Malawi.
Titakhala pansi ngati Central Committee imene ili ngati mtima wa chipani, tagwirizana lero kuti kuyambira pamene tapanga chiganizo ichi, ifeyo anthu onse komanso chipani chonse cha UTM tituluke mu mgwirizano wa Zikomo. Kuyambira lero kupita mtsogolo, ife ngati a UTM maso athu akhala kuyang'ana chisankho cha 2025.